Ever pondered how to have a continuous harvest throughout the season? The secret is a technique known as succession planting. It's a method that ensures you have a non-stop supply of fresh produce from your garden, regardless of the season. So what exactly is succession planting? It's a strategic planting method that allows you to maximize your garden's yield by planting new crops as soon as the previous ones have been harvested. The idea is to keep the soil productive and your kitchen stocked with fresh homegrown produce. The first step to successful succession planting is planning. It's essential to know your crops and their growing cycles. Some crops like lettuce and radishes have shorter cycles, while others like tomatoes and corn take longer to mature. By knowing this, you can create a planting schedule that keeps your garden producing continuously. The second step is to choose the right varieties of plants. Some plants thrive in the heat of summer, while others prefer the cooler temperatures of spring and fall. By selecting a variety of plants that grow well in different conditions, you can extend your harvesting season. The third step is to prepare your soil. Good soil is the foundation of any successful garden. Each time you harvest a crop, replenish the soil with compost or organic matter to keep it rich and ready for the next planting. The fourth step is to sow your seeds or plant your seedlings at the right time. This is where your planting schedule comes into play. As soon as one crop is harvested, plant the next one immediately. This keeps your garden productive and ensures a continuous supply of fresh produce. The fifth and final step is to monitor your plants and manage pests. Regularly check your plants for signs of disease or insect damage. Early detection and management can save your crops and keep your garden thriving. So, there you have it. Succession planting is a simple yet effective way to maximize your garden's productivity and enjoy a continuous harvest. To recap, begin with a plan. Know your crops and their growing cycles. Choose the right plants for the right seasons. Prepare and replenish your soil after each harvest. Sow seeds or plant seedlings at the right time. And finally, monitor your plants and manage pests effectively. With these steps, you can transform your garden into a bountiful oasis, providing fresh, homegrown produce throughout the season. It might take a little planning and work, but the reward of a continuous harvest is definitely worth the effort.